High Court has directed to review the approved agreement with India's Adani Group. The High Court has ordered the formation of an inquiry committee to deal and scrutinize the unfair power purchase agreement with Adani Group. At the same time, the rule has been made to know why this agreement against the interest of the country will not be cancelled. The High Court bench of Justice Farah Mahbub and Justice Debashish Roy Chaudhary paused the preliminary hearing on a writ in this regard. Writ petitioner's lawyer said in the High Court hearing, no interest of Bangladesh was protected in these agreements. Rather, Adani's interest has been met. Later, the High Court asked to submit all the documents of this agreement with 1 month. The High Court has recommended that it is in the interest of the country that the Adani's contract needs to be reviewed.
নগদের সর্বোচ্চ বার 167 টাকা রিচার্জে পাবেন 1 লাখ টাকা পুরস্কার। আরও আছে প্রতি সপ্তাহে পুরস্কার ও ক্যাশব্যাক।